Round 18, chain 1 just for a start, a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around next, now 5 and a popcorn here, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, 2 front post puff stitch here, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, then a cluster around this 2, 1 front post double crochet unfinished, and the other one around next, now a cluster, chain 1, 3 front post double crochet around next, 1 2 and 3, chain 1, a double crochet, top of double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around this double crochet, chain 1, now here 2 front post double crochet, cluster around this and next, so 1 and 2, a front post double crochet around next, chain 4, 1 2 3 4, then 2 front post double crochet, puff stitch here, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, and a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet. Just repeat this pattern. Okay, I just want to repeat it again. 5 front post double crochet popcorn, a popcorn here, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, 2 front post puff stitch, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, and 2 front post double crochet cluster here, chain 1, 3 front post double crochet here, 1 2 and 3, chain 1, a double crochet, top of this double crochet, another chain 1, a front post double crochet around this double crochet, chain 1, a cluster around this 2, 1 unfinished and the other one around next, a front post double crochet around next, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a puff stitch around this puff stitch. Repeat this pattern and I come back here to close this round. Here for close round 18, after the last 4 chain, make a slip stitch, top of first front post double crochet here, and this round finish. Round 19, chain 1 just for a start, 5 front post double crochet, popcorn around this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then a popcorn here, for chain 1, 2, 3, 4, then a puff stitch around this puff stitch, 1 and 2. For chain 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post double crochet around this cluster here. Now chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next 1 and 2, 1 front post double crochet around next, another front post double crochet around next, chain 1, a double crochet, top of this double crochet, chain 1, 3 front post double crochet around next, 1, 2 and 3, then chain 1, 2 front post double crochet, cluster around this cluster, 1 front post double crochet unfinished, and the other one around the next. 4 chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2 front post double crochet, puff stitch around the next, 4 chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, and just repeat this pattern. Okay, 4 chain again, I just do it, 5 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then a popcorn. 4 chain, 2, 3 and 4, 2 front post, puff stitch around the next, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post double crochet around this cluster here, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 1 front post double crochet around next, 1 front post double crochet around the next, chain 1, a double crochet, top of this double crochet, chain 1, 3 front post double crochet around next, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1, 2 front post double crochet, cluster around this 2, 1 here and the other one around the next. 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, and a puff stitch around this puff stitch. Okay, repeat this pattern and I come back here to close this round. Now here for close round 19, after the last 4 chain, make a slip stitch top of first popcorn here, and this round finish. Round 20, chain 1 just for a start, a front post double crochet around same popcorn, then 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, then a puff stitch around this puff stitch, chain 1, another puff stitch around same puff stitch, just pull it down, pull this one down and make another one top of this one, 1 and 2, like this. 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. Now here skip this first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, then 2 front post double crochet cluster around this 2, 1 here unfinished and the other one around next, then a cluster, chain 1, a double crochet top of double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, then 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, then a puff stitch around this puff stitch, chain 1. For this side we don't need to put it down, make another one under this one, 1 and 2, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a front post double crochet around next, and repeat this pattern. Okay, I just want to repeat the pattern. 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a puff stitch around this puff stitch, 1 and 2, chain 1, then pull it down and make another puff stitch top of this one around this puff stitch here. Okay, 1 and 2, like this. 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. I changed this 2, I pull it down, but for this side I didn't do that. Okay, it's like this. I skip this front post double crochet, around next, 1 front post double crochet, around next, 1 front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet cluster around 2 next, 1 unfinished and the other one around next, chain 1, a double crochet, top of this double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, chain 1, here 1 front post double crochet around this cluster, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4. Now here a puff stitch around this puff stitch, chain 1, another puff stitch around same puff stitch, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a front post double crochet around popcorn, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a puff stitch around this puff stitch, chain 1, now pull it down and make a puff stitch top of this one, 1 and 2, now a puff stitch. Continue this round and I come back here to close this round.